but it's not really that hard. Okay. All right. So 2 cos 2 sine 60. Remember, uh, 2 times. So first of all, what is sine 60? What is sine 60? Let me take us back. Let me take us back. Sine 60 is what? Is root 3 over 2. Okay, and if we go further back, you see where I wrote it down that sine 60 is the same thing with cos 30. Okay, okay, so which is root 3 over 2. Sine 60 root 3 over 2. So we have 2 times root 3 over 2 plus 4 times cos 30 is the same thing with sine 60. 4 times root 3 over 2. Now let's make it more easier. All of them now divided by this man. Now let's put it in a bracket so we understand. Tan 60. Let's go. Tan 60 is what? What do we have as tan 60? Huh? Tan 60 is root 3. Yeah? Tan 60 is root 3. Okay. Let's go. So we have divided by, we have here to be root 3 plus 1. So let's further down. This cancels out this. Okay. So here we are having root 3 plus 2 here, 1. 2 into 4 here we have 2. So we have 2 times will give us 2 root 3. It's still under one bracket divided by root 3 plus 1 in a different brackets. Now, if you add these two, they have the same denominator. They have the same variable, I mean to say, okay? Now, yeah, this is just like saying 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3, just like saying x plus 2x. So definitely we are going to have here to be what? 3. We are going to have here to be what? To be 3 root 3. Sorry. We are going to have here to be 3 root 3. Now 3 root 3 divided by root 3. Let me put it in a very better form. Now from here, remember how we do. Whenever we have something like this, we do what? We rationalize it. So multiply it by what? By root 3 minus 1 all over root 3 minus 1. So let's go. 3 root 3 times this is just like saying 3 root 3 times root 3. So 3 times, that's an invisible one here. So 3 times 1 is 1. Root 3 times root 3 will give us what? Sorry, 3 times 1 is 3, sorry. 3 times 1 is 3. Then root 3 times root 3 will give us what? Will give us 3. Whenever two same roots multiply each other, the answer is the number in the root. Okay? So let's say we have root A times root A. The answer is still what? A. Root B times root B, the answer is still B. So root 3 times root 3, the answer is 3. So 3 times this 3 here, we have it what? 9. So that means 3 root 3 times root 3 here, we have it what? 9. Minus 3 root 3 times 1, we have what? 3 root what? 3. All over root 3 times root 3, definitely we have what? 3. Now root 3 times negative 1, we have negative root 3. Positive 1 times root 3 will give us what? Positive root 3. Then positive times negative, we have negative, okay? Then 1 times 1, we have 1. And definitely this 2 is already cancelling out. So we are left with what? 9 minus 3 root 3 all over what? 3 minus 1 will give us what? 2. So this is our answer. We can decide to leave our answers this way, or we can decide to break it down. If you look at these two, what do they have in common? They have 3 in common. So if 3 should come out, since they have 3 in common, if 3 should come out, we are going to have what now? 3. It's just like saying 3 over 2 brackets. What remains in the bracket here will be 3 minus what? Root 3. So either we leave our answers this way, or we leave our answer this way. Or we still have This. So this should be your answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Have you seen? Huh?